Okay, Bob here. Let's talk a little bit about a trigger level. Here is the trigger level knobs. You can turn it to move the trigger level arrow up and down. And this is the number of the trigger level you're supposed to see. Okay. Now I'm gonna try your USA number 2 sample. I will set this in a manual mode and trigger that manually. And if you look at the scope, currently the scope set at 10 millivolt. Here, you can see about 10 millivolt. Okay, now I'm going to try to lower that to 20 millivolt, to up that to 20 millivolt. Now 50 millivolt. Okay, and you can see the trigger level right now at 16.4. I'm going to try to bring it up to about 20 because that's where your program's supposed to have the 20 millivolt level. Okay, now I'm going to try to trigger this again. And you can see every time I trigger this, I have a new waveform. Okay, now let's try number 3. That's a number 3. And I want to trigger that. And let's see. Okay, look like most of your samples have the same trigger level and the same amplitude. Now I'm going to try your metallic bag. This is the metallic bag. It's thicker than the other. Now let's try to trigger that manually. And I did not seem to have any trigger on this one, so when you turn the trigger level down below 0, it automatically cue the waveform. Now I'm going to bring it back up to about 20, and now I'm going to try to trigger that again. I don't see any, so that means that it is too low, so I'm going to have to lower the vertical scale here. Now I'm going to lower that to about 10 millivolt. Now I'm going to try to trigger that again. Okay, now I have the waveform. So your metallic bag gonna have to have the vertical scale set at about 10 millivolt, and a trigger level, I say 20 seems to be working okay. So let's see, I set it at 20. I get a trigger level all the time. Now I'm going to try to set the trigger level at 10 millivolt. And look like 10 millivolt also working fine. Okay.